Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and in this left section we have to enter the sound. As you can see right here, let's say the second section is connected to the ringtone and the notification sound. So let me show you how to change it using the ringtone. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, let me be silent. I just wanted to say that as you can see here, we've got the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we've got the silent option, and after that your device simply will not use any kind of ringtone. And on the right, in the right upper corner, we've got this plus icon, and after that we will be transferred to our own files. Of course, give all the permissions. So we will be transferred to our own files, and you will be able to pick something. Of course, if you will have any compatible ones here, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ringtones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is, as you saw before, you have to just tap on it. Yes, and let me volume it down a little bit. So just tap on it, listen how it sounds, and if you will decide that you like this option, so for example in my case this flight option, we have to make sure that this option is marked and go back. And as you can see, after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here, so it means that we just successfully applied the new ringtone. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.